girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, follow me.
Told me about all your insecurities. What? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga call her face, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you fail. to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like we're sisters, but I make you take me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? You don't know me, don't know me. If I keep sick on me, don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for AFSister wigs and I'm reviewing this gorgeous 360 unit from them. It's been a minute since I've done like a 360 unit or like a ponytail, and I really wanted to do that today because it is really hot right now, and the last thing you want to do is just have like a bunch of hair down your back. At first I was just gonna let like, you know, the ponytail down and just like have the curls down, and I may do that like towards the end of the video, but I did still want to show you guys what this unit looks like if you wear it in like a top bun. This was a Swiss lace unit, but I feel like it's an HD Swiss lace unit because the lace is very, very thin, but it has like the frayed edges like a HD lace unit. So I love that about it because it's just gonna give you a more natural look. The only thing about this particular unit on me is that the unit fits a little bit larger, so I did have some buckling with my lace, but if you have a, you know, normal size to larger head, then you wouldn't have a problem with that. But for me, I usually have a problem with a lot of my units being too big for me. It's like, it's just a common issue that I have. But yeah, so even with that, it still came out like really, really nice. This unit had like, at the beginning of the video, I did show you guys like the unboxing of this unit, and it had like that clear strap. Don't cut that off. don't cut it off. It's actually this new invisible like adjustable band that they have. So you're supposed to like pull it and then like tighten it with that little thing. I didn't know what that was. I thought it was a mistake. I didn't know until I checked the email just a moment ago that that's what that was. I cut it out, so I'm just gonna let you guys know not to cut that part out. I will show you guys a picture on the screen so you guys can see like what it's supposed to be doing and how it's supposed to tighten the back portion, because I really was wondering like, how are you supposed to tighten this back portion up so that, you know, it's like nice and snug. But there is a comb that's in the very back of the unit, and that's what I have like tucked underneath to like secure the back of the unit down. But other than that, I don't have anything else securing the unit down. So just make sure you don't cut that piece off. That is something that I did want to let you guys know. But also, this is a 360 unit, so you do get a lot of space with this unit, a lot of parting space. You can do a lot of different styles with the unit like this. You can do 2 ponytails, a top, you know, a bun, half up, half down. You can wear it down, wear it off to the side. I did want to show you guys a couple of different ways, so that's why I had like it slicked back at one point, and then I had it like in a regular ponytail, and I put it off to the side so it could be like a curly side ponytail, just to give you guys a couple little like ideas on how you can actually style this unit. And this is a 24-inch unit, by the way, but right now you can't even tell how long it is because I do have it up in a bun. But like I said, I am gonna let it down in a moment so you guys can see what this hair looks like when it's in like a regular ponytail as well. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bun down with y'all. I know it might seem a little bit crazy because I'm literally about to just cut the rubber bands to unleash the bun. And voila, now we got the pretty curls on deck. You feel me? Which is really honestly a lot better than the bun. But I just wanted to show you guys like different options, you know? So this is what the curls are giving, and this is with a 24-inch. Love, love, love the curls on here. Okay, period. Okay, so that's cute. And then you can flip it either way. You can flip it on this side if you're like, you know, I want to put it on my good side. So you can do something like that. You can play around with it is the point, okay? So I do like it in like a really high ponytail too. So I just want to show y'all what that looks like. So yeah, y'all, but this is what this looks like. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's just a vibe. It's something that you can just play around with, and you can just get as creative as you want to be with something like this. And it's just a great unit to have during these hot months because, girl, we be wanting to pull that hair off of our neck and like get all that hair off of our back, honey. So I like a unit like this where all the hair can just be up, but just don't be like me. Don't cut the piece out in the back. Otherwise, your unit is gonna be loose in the back. Make sure you keep that clear piece in there and tighten it up real good so it can be nice and flat in the back. You don't have anything exposed. But right now, mine is not perfect. Mine might be like a little bit exposed. So, but yeah, I absolutely love this unit. AFSister wigs, I've worked with them a lot, you guys. I've worked with AFSister wigs a lot, and they always have really good units. But the thing that I like about their company is that all of their units look very natural. So if you want a more natural look, you want something that doesn't seem so like wiggy, then you definitely should check them out because the lace on their unit is always fire. The quality of the hair is always fire. Like, I've never received a unit from them that I didn't like. And also, a lot of the times their units come like pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So even today, I didn't have to pluck this unit, you guys. I didn't have to do anything like that because there's a lot of people who are like beginners and they just don't know how to pluck, or maybe they'll over pluck it, or they just don't pluck it enough. So I like the fact that it's pretty much done for you. They make a lot of these units these days just like a lot more easier to do. And I also like the fact that this does have the adjustable elastic band in the inside, so you can make this unit as tight or as loose as you need it for your head size, because we all know that these units are not one size fits all. So I love that feature about it as well. And then I did tint the lace on this unit. If you guys are wondering, I tinted my lace with the Ebin Lace Tint Spray in the color dark brown. and this is how it came out. Like I said, it matches like with my face and everything, so it works out perfectly, you guys, honestly. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking this unit out and you want to try out a amazing 360 unit, then you guys should definitely check this one out from Afsisterwigs. I will have the link listed down below for you guys. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys. Drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.